Hello Ranjini. I would like to tell you and all our listeners that the year 2020 was an year of evolution for me. As you know, since childhood I always wanted to be a talk speaker, but due to family commitments and other responsibilities, I couldn't make time to fulfill my dream. But in 2020, I thought about it very seriously. I thought not now, then when. It was then when I decided to seek some information and knowledge regarding speaking career. This was the time when I was seriously looking into social media, where I found Fatima Omar Khamisa's Million Stars Academy. I attended her free 5-day workshop, where on the last day she was interviewing you. I saw you there in that program for the first time. It was late night at 11 p.m. in India when you were having a conversation with Fatima ma'am discussing about your experience with her. Just then, your younger child, who was just 2 years old, he got up from his sleep and he wanted to sleep on your lap. You very nicely tried to make him sleep at the same time you were having a conversation with Fatima ma'am. There was no expression of irritation or frustration on your face. You were speaking very calmly and very confidently with ma'am. This was the most catchy moment for me to see how you were handling family and your business. I was really taken aback and I decided to find more about you as I could relate with you and as you were in India and our both timings were also same. After few days you had organized your five day workshop which was also free. I tried to attend it and participate in fully because I had decided to definitely join your tribe. And later on, I got a scholarship in your program and I joined you as a client working under your mentorship.